Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can make your own printable junk journal pages with stitched edges without using a sewing machine. This effect is easy to achieve using these digital junk journal overlay templates that are perfect for making quick and easy pages for your junk journals in no time at all. The page templates include 12 stitched overlays in PNG format and are available in two sizes: to fit a junk journal double page size 11 inches by 8.5 inches and a double page size 10 inches by 7 inches. You can use these templates in programs such as Photoshop or Photoshop Elements or similar types of photo editing programs, and you can also use them in Canva. There are also separate template sets for junk journal cards and tags. These sets include PDF, PNG, and Canva frame formats. To use the page templates in Photoshop and similar photo editing programs, make a new document size 11 inches wide by 8.5 inches high, or 10 inches wide by 7 inches high at 300 ppi. The size of the page will depend on the set of templates that you're using. I'm using Photoshop Elements to design my pages. Add a background paper and place it on the document. To add the paper, you can use the menu commands to select, copy, and paste, or simply drag the image out of the frame and onto the document. Then select one of the stitched templates and place it on a layer above the paper layer. The templates are designed to fit on one half of the page, so you can easily mix and match them. You can use the templates in different ways. You can duplicate the template and move it to the opposite side of the page. Then flip it over to create a mirror image. You can rotate it, or you can add a completely different template to each side. You can layer more than one template, one on top of the other, and rotate them and flip them around until you have a page design that you like. This mix and match system gives you endless design opportunities to create unique printable pages for your junk journals. Included also in this set is a shaded border that you can use to create a vintage style edge. You can also combine these stitch templates with other types of page border templates and overlays that can be purchased separately, and that will give you even more options for creating unique journal pages. If the stitched overlays don't fit perfectly, simply resize them a little by pulling the resizing handles. The templates will work for all different types of background papers, including vertical format papers. If one of the papers overlaps the other, use a layer mask to hide the overlap. To use a layer mask, select the layer, then click the layer mask icon. Select a hard brush and make sure that the opacity is set to 100%. Then select the colour black and brush away the overlap. Once you've finished your design, you can print the file directly from the software program or save it in JPEG format and then print it out at a later time. To use the card and tag templates, open one of the templates in your software program. You can use one background paper to create quick and easy cards, Or you can use individual papers to create unique individual cards. Add the papers, then move them to a layer underneath the template layer. If there's any overlap of the papers, use a layer mask to remove it. The cards and tag templates also include PDF format. To print using the PDF file, open the template file and select the page you want to print. In the Print dialog box, make sure the page scaling option is set to none or similar wording depending on your software so that the template prints at the correct size. Insert a sheet of printed paper or scrapbook paper into your printer and then print the template page. As well as designing in programs like Photoshop, you can also use the templates in Canva. To get started, log into your Canva account. To use the page templates, make a custom page size 11 inches wide by 8.5 inches high or 10 inches wide by 7 inches high, depending on the set of templates that you're using. Then upload the templates and the background papers that you want to use. You can use one horizontal background paper or 2 vertical papers to make your junk journal page. To upload, you can use the Upload Files button and select the files from your desktop, or drag the files out of the folder and drop them onto the Canva editor. To add the files to the canvas, click on the thumbnail that you want to use and it's automatically inserted onto the document. Resize to fit using the resize handles. First add the background paper and then add the templates on top. If you need to make adjustments, click on the Position button on the top menu, then select the Layers tab. Select the layer and make the adjustments. To design using the card and tag templates, log into your Canva account, then click the link to the Canva template. You can find the link in the document that's included with your download. When the browser page opens, click the View Template button, then upload the background papers that you want to use. The Canva frame templates include individual frames for each of the cards and tags, as well as the overlay templates which have line guides and the vintage style border. You can use these templates in different ways. You can add one paper to cover the whole of the background area. To do this, click on the thumbnail, then move the paper to the top left corner and resize to cover the background. You can use the Control or Command keys on your keyboard to prevent the paper from snapping into the frames. Then move the template overlays to the top layer. To do this, click on the background paper, then click the Position tab on the top menu. Select the Layers tab, and then you can drag the layers into the correct order. The templates are located on layers underneath the frames. You can add individual papers to each element by dragging the paper out of the Upload section and hover over the frame until the paper clicks into place. To adjust and resize the paper, double-click on it and move it around using the handles. When you're done, click on the Editor background to exit. Once you've finished designing, download the files to your desktop. Click the Share button and then Download. Select File Type PDF Print and make sure to check Flatten PDF. Then click the Download button.